Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? It is your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet another Do You Know The Way? And it is 2018. New year, 1,000,001 sneaker releases on the way. And trust me, I know you guys haven't seen me in 2 days, but I am working behind the scenes, got some things cooking up, and new videos will be dropping soon. But first off, I had this huge box hit my door, and let me just pick it up so you guys can see. A little special package dropped at the door. Bam! This huge new box got dropped at the door with some special blessings. So y'all already know what time it is, man. Production team that isn't really there. Let's go ahead, let's get to that montage.
My side girl got a 5S with a screen crack. Still hit me back right away. Better not never hesitate. Don't come around thinking you can say it. Tryna show the dog better than me. Got a torch tryna light the way. Biting everybody with a smile rockin'. Cause your next album, but it won't ever see the light of day. Have fans, but you let them down. But I guess that's how you get down. I'm so high up, I'm like, I really get down. Could never have a kid in me. Out here still kidding around, what's playing around. Hey, you really wanna take it now? I got $150,000 for an after party.
And here it is, this special edition box. Thank you once again to the beautiful people over at PUMA for sending this joint over. And this is huge, crazy white box, green on the exterior, got a little PUMA logo on the bottom. And then at first I was like, yo, how am I supposed to open up this box? They actually sent me over this little envelope with CJ on it, and it actually held a key to unlock the box. So since we don't need this envelope anymore, I can go ahead and toss that to the side, and let's go ahead and get into these joints right here. So this right here inside of this box is the PUMA jamming shoe. As you guys can kind of see on the top of the box, it does say hashtag jamming right there on the top, and this was on the inside of the box. It did come with a nice note for the kids. CJ introducing our latest PUMA jamming. The one-piece Evo knit upper provides fitting, comfort, free-floating energy beads in their rawest state, captured in a clean midsole for ultimate comfort and support. Enjoy PUMA. Thank you once again to the people over there. And as we get to the inside of this joint, you guys can see like this all over black plexiglass piece on the top, PUMA on the bottom, PUMA logos, and we can go ahead and slide this out and get to the actual inside, get to the guts of the package. So first things first, y'all heard me talk a little bit about those energy beads, and they actually included 3 little capsules of them on the inside, and you guys will understand why they sent me these in a second. So let's go ahead and peel this extra piece off, and then of course you're like, where are the shoes? Got the jamming soles on full display right here. You pull this other piece out, and then we actually get to the actual shoe right here. Now when I think of PUMA, I traditionally think of a nice Clyde, a flat midsole, maybe a nice suede nubuck upper, but with this one they definitely took it a lot farther and really switched it up as far as their midsole tech goes. Now this, like I said, is the jamming, and let me go ahead and put this box and everything in the background so I don't have to hold all this at the same time. Hold on. Blam, and here is the shoe, the PUMA jamming. Now you guys know I had those little vials with the energy beads in them, and the first thing that you notice on this shoe is that midsole and outsole. And when I first saw it, I was like, okay, obviously this seems like an Air Max to me, but there's no air, it's only these energy beads. So it almost seems like Ultra Boost mixed with Air Max, and honestly after wearing them a little bit, that's what it feels like. You kind of get the best of both worlds. Now what these energy beads do is they aren't combined, they aren't together, they're literally just placed in this cell unit. They are going to move with you. Now the bottom of the outsole is an all over icy feel to it, and as far as sizing goes on this one, they do fit a little narrow in my opinion, but you can go true to size. If you want to be a little bit more comfortable, maybe a half size up will be a better fit for you. Now the whole upper, let's get into the uppers. The uppers on this shoe is their Evo knit, and you guys know I got a pair of the all red Evo knits a little while ago, and I actually really like the fit and feel of that material. It's that all over knitted one piece upper that we've come pretty accustomed to. Now the good thing about these is that as far as the jean tests go, you can wear these with jeans. The collar isn't too sucked up where it won't work, and they also will work with joggers as well. Now some other details on the upper, you got this embossed foam stripe coming up for the Puma logoing. Got the same things around the eye stage. Towards the back you got your Puma pull tab, and these are just an all over cozy shoe if you want to go ahead and check them out. Like I said, all over one piece knitted upper. You got those energy beads on the sole, and from what I know, this is as far of a jump as Puma has gone from their traditional flat midsoles. And I don't say flat in a bad way, because I also own Pumas. I mean, my Coogi joints are right here, and y'all already know how I feel about these. Definitely one of the best shoes from last year. Just a clean silhouette with some great materials on it, but you guys can obviously see the difference. We have ditched this sole for that energy jamming midsole. So listen guys, that is going to be it for this video. Just wanted to show these off to you guys really quick. Once again, thank you for Puma for sending these over. Thank you for the crazy package and the crazy box, the Puma jamming energy beads. Thank you. And if you guys want to check these out, a link will be down below. But listen, we're just starting the year off. We got a lot of sneaker releases on the way, and that's it, man. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can find me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah blah blah. Of course, hold on, Bullet RC, and I will see y'all on the next video. Puma jamming. We're out of here. Peace. There we go.
Have fans, but you let them down.